All right, welcome back to the basement. Hopefully your clothes were not in your washing machine for longer than 8 to at the most 12 hours because they can start to mildew. But today we'll do a little bit of drying, and we'll start by just clearing out the lint trap.
What's that?
This is where all the fuzz is captured, and you can just grab that lint right out of there. As I understand
so it
it,
goes in there and it goes like into it.
it hangs onto it. Yep, and sometimes it gets little bits of Kleenex and different pieces of things that were floating around in the dryer. I did forget to tell you to check your pockets. That's really important before you put stuff in the dryer, on account of you don't want, good word, any pens to come uncapped in there. And then as you're loading things from the washer to the dryer, you do want to shake things out a little bit, so that they can tumble dry and you can grab stuff right out of there. And you could keep it from being too wrinkly. So we got all kinds of stuff in here because remember, I'm not a big sorter. So you want to grab it and almost kind of untangle it a little bit. Whoa. And then you've got some choices for drying. Now, again, if you're a big sorter, you may find that you can put just the heavy stuff in, towels and jeans. Those can be dried on high. Things like synthetics, things that are polyester, they're more of a medium speed. But you can also just pull out stuff like fleece. It dries so quickly and then there's less bulk in there. And then things that are delicate, you want to dry on low. But honestly, if anything's too delicate, I just pull it out. I don't dry it at all.
It spins.
Also, don't dry your brassieres.
What are brassieres?
Brassieres, those are your over-the-shoulder boulder holders, your bra. So you want to hand wash those. Those are really delicate, and especially if they've got bells and whistles like wires or pads, you want to do those in the bathroom sink. All right, ready?
Fun spinning it.
Is it all empty?
No.
Okay, grab that, and will you grab some of the dryer sheets to put them in?
What are dryer sheets?
They make things less staticky. I like to do two because we've got a big load.
What?
Less staticky, and also they smell better when they come out. Great. Throw those right in. Is that everything?
Wait, I still want to spin this in.
Okay, there's one more sock in there. Can you grab it? Put it on in. All right.
This is fun.
Okay, can you put it in the dryer?
What?
That last sock?
I did.
Oh, good. Okay, now close it up. Pearl.
Oh, close it up.
Put on your power button. And then you've got choices up here too.
Which one's that one?
Yep. And mine makes some noises here. If you can see, you've got some options. I like to do everything on eco or normal. And I also want to listen for an hour and 20 minutes. Pearl, you want to press start?
Okay.
Because you don't want to leave things in there too long.
Start this.
You got it. And there you go. You'll pull them out and get folding.